Unfortunately, you are also made to believe that money is the root of all evil. Even in movies, we could see that the villain is the richest guy, and the good guy, the actor, is poor. He doesn't have a home to live, he does not have food to eat, and he doesn't even have love on on his side. He doesn't even have food to eat, money in his pockets. Let me tell you that it is false, it is all wrong, because money is spiritual. Just like anything in this universe, in this world, is energy, money also is energy. Money is vibration. Money has a certain type of frequency, and money goes where there is love. Money goes where there is confidence. Money goes where there is gratitude. Money is vibration, and the amount of money you make determines your vibrational frequency. So, open your heart center, be happy, be grateful, be aligned, and let prosperity flows to you. Let money flows to you easily. Do let me know in the comment section if you want to know how to vibrate how so that you can manifest more money. Thank you.